Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. How much risky is wholesale business model? The wholesale business model can be a profitable and rewarding venture for entrepreneurs, but it can also be risky. Wholesale businesses purchase goods in bulk from manufacturers or distributors and sell them in large quantities to retailers or other businesses. While there are several advantages to this model, including economies of scale and higher profit margins, there are also several risks to consider. One of the primary risks associated with the wholesale business model is the high level of competition in the industry. The wholesale market can be extremely competitive, with many businesses vying for the same customers. This can make it difficult for new businesses to enter the market and gain a foothold. Even existing wholesalers may struggle to maintain their market share if they cannot offer competitive pricing or provide superior service to their customers. Therefore, wholesalers need to differentiate themselves by offering unique value propositions that set them apart from the competition. Another risk of the wholesale business model is the limited customer relationships. Because wholesalers sell to retailers rather than end customers, they may have limited interaction with their customers. This can make it challenging to build strong relationships with retailers, which are essential for maintaining a loyal customer base. Without these relationships, wholesalers may struggle to differentiate themselves from their competitors and retain customers over the long term. Thus, wholesalers need to provide excellent customer service and build relationships with their customers to maintain their loyalty. A third risk associated with the wholesale business model is the dependence on suppliers. Wholesale businesses are often reliant on a limited number of suppliers to provide them with the goods they need to sell to retailers. This can increase the risk of supply chain disruptions, which can result in lost revenue and reduced profitability. Additionally, if a supplier raises its prices or goes out of business, a wholesale business may struggle to find a replacement supplier, which can be detrimental to its operations. Therefore, wholesalers need to diversify their supplier base to reduce the risk of supply chain disruptions and ensure they have access to the goods they need. To mitigate these risks, wholesalers need to take a strategic approach to their operations. They should carefully evaluate their pricing strategy to ensure they can remain competitive in the market while still maintaining a healthy profit margin. Additionally, they should focus on building strong relationships with their customers by providing superior service and support. This can help to differentiate them from their competitors and increase customer loyalty. Wholesalers should also consider diversifying their supplier base to reduce the risk of supply chain disruptions. By working with multiple suppliers, they can ensure they have access to the goods they need even if one supplier experiences difficulties. Additionally, they should regularly evaluate their supplier relationships to ensure they are getting the best possible pricing and service. In conclusion, the wholesale business model can be a profitable and sustainable venture, but it does come with risks. To succeed in this industry, wholesalers need to differentiate themselves from the competition, build strong relationships with their customers, and diversify their supplier base. By taking a strategic approach to their operations and being proactive in managing their risks, wholesalers can mitigate the challenges associated with this business model and achieve long-term success.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view.